Hello everyone, here is another recipe you can add to your menu. So let me show you how I made this easy and yummy stir-fried chicken vegetable sauce. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my channel. So these are the list of the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. And on my list I have my onion, my chili pepper, also known as Shombo, my Scotch bonnet, and my vegetable oil. I have my chicken washed and diced into this shape, and my fluted pumpkin washed and diced already. My onion washed and diced into this shape. And these are some of the spices I'll be using. And on my list I have crayfish grinded, my curry powder, my chicken seasoning, my thyme, and salt to taste. So my pan is on the heat now and I'll be adding in my vegetable oil. I like to hot a bit and I add in my chicken washed and diced already, and I'm using a soft chicken for this recipe. So we'll give this a quick stir, stir, and stir. So we'll stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes and I'll be adding in my spice, salt, pepper, curry powder. Everything is going right in, and we'll stir this for another 2 minutes. Stir, stir, and stir. And this is after 2 minutes. I'll be adding in my diced onion, and we'll stir this till the onions is translucent. Please, if you have not subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and share the video to your loved ones. So to this, I'll be adding in my roughly blended Scotch bonnet pepper and my chili pepper. I'll be stir frying this for about 2 minutes or till the oil starts to separate from the sauce. So to my sauce, I'll be adding in my washed and drained pumpkin leaf, and we'll stir fry this for a few seconds. This was so yummy and easy. So you can serve this with your rice, yam, plantain. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next one. Bye.